Alan, tell me what happened today.
We finished up with our Thanksgiving pickups like we always do, and then I took my last delivery. My manager went home, we locked up, and I was leaving to come back and get the rest of the food that we made extra for to take to the fire department, and they saved me a trip. Something sparked where it wasn't supposed to spark, and so now I don't have a barbecue place. But we're gonna rebuild. We're gonna clean up, and we're gonna keep doing what we do.
The restaurant, main body of the restaurant's all right, but just your smokehouse and basically your prep area is gone.
The smokehouse and the prep kitchen is gone. The pits are gone. What else?
No electrical.
Most of my equipment and electrical and everything else, but Garden Cat made it through, and we made it through, so no loss of life, no bodily injury. So, you know, we still have more to be thankful for than we do to complain about. So that's what I'm going to leave it with that.
When did you get the call? Did someone see it? Or I mean, it came into the grass fire at first.
I don't know. Scott, let's look and see how many calls and stuff we missed. Oh, gosh. I don't know. Probably, what time is it now? 4:43?
Quite a few calls on it.
Yeah, probably.
But you said you're able to see it from Forest Cove coming over here?
I could see, and yeah, I do have a picture of that, and that'll give us a better timeline. At 2:16, I'm at just south of Kingwood Drive, and you can see the smoke.
Gee whiz.
And I'm, what, 3.5, 4 miles away from Kingwood Drive?
You were down there at the same time I was when I took sister.
I was taking Lewis.
Getting ready to deliver the fire department, Porter Fire Department, their meal, and they were able to collect it themselves.
Yeah,
huh?
they just came and got it. So the only warming cabinet that I have left was in the front that we used this morning, and so they came and got it. And I had one other thing, and this was a long joke for a long time around here, but the folks can get ready to see that coming soon sign again. We'll be back.
You see, he eats a pick.
Probably be closed when.
Didn't get this one, but it got the electrical. It melted all the wires and the paint off of this one.
Tomorrow and Saturday to take this down and just shorten it to about 7 foot.
Can you smell it?
Yeah, I smell gas.
Maybe it's just the plastic.
What's that? gonna take a picture of.
That was a lighter.
Was.
It wasn't that hot when I used it this morning. It came up and the brunt of it was right there. I think right
Just
there.
came out of
Uh,
Okay.
Get this thing going. You just make yourself at home, whatever you need to do.
Hey, 32 guys. Will you check with them, please, so please? Okay, 32, straight here.
You got that one? Okay, done.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah. He really. He really. You see, he eats a pic.